Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT sampler for the month of March 2021. And I'm going to be careful to take the products out. I have heard many of the girls say that there are sequins in here that kind of stick to things, and I'd like to try to maybe I could just pour them out, actually, to keep the sequins and sparkles kind of separate. Actually, there's not a ton in mine. I wonder if some of them fell out. Some of the girls said that some of the sequins fell out. Let's start off with the card. The theme is eat glitter for breakfast and you'll shine all day. So we have products from Echo Park, Creative Memories, Simple Stories, a stamp set from Concord and Ninth, and an SCT sampler. Okay, let's start with this Concord and Ninth Painted Tulip stamp set. This reminds me of the very first time I fell in love with stamping. Stampin' Up! Had a two-step stamp demonstration at a local fair, and I was hooked. I just love this idea of putting a stamped image behind with the coloring and then over top with the actual outline of the image. These are beautiful sentiments. This is a really nice stamp set. And then the papers we have here. So we have, these are the, let's see. Okay. Wow, I can already feel a total difference between these two sets. This is paper and this is like a heavier weighted, like typical sort of cardstock. This is Creative Memories. I can already tell I'm not a huge fan of Creative Memories. Let's just look. I don't like the colors, like that green. No, this is just like so not my style. I'm not crazy about this at all. I don't like the flimsiness of the paper, and I do not like the colors. That's just me. I'm not even sure if I will use this part of the kit, to be honest with you. So that's pretty rare to get something that I wouldn't use. I might use this like as an accent piece because the colors do complement. So I could use this sort of as like a little framing piece or something, but I certainly wouldn't craft with this paper all by itself. It's just too thin for what kind of projects I do. But this Echo Park, it's called Little Dreamer Girl Collection, is extremely cute. I love those colors. I love the weight, and that will be fun to work with. These are the beautiful Simple Stories alphabet stickers. That's super nice to get in a kit. These are beautiful stickers. Magic, sweet and sassy, all kinds of fun little sayings. I like that a lot. This is the acrylic piece, the word shine. I've been keeping these words, and actually I'm going to amass a little collection of them. I have plans for this 2021, but I am going to keep these in their own little compartment here in my cabinet so that I can use those for a fun project. Okay, so this must match along with this. Okay, let's put all of these things. Here's the stuff I will use. So this is another piece of paper. That's the Creative Memories. This is clearly the Echo Park. So there's some couple cut aparts. Oh, I like those butterflies. Cute. Another little cut apart here. That's great. Okay. Imagination. I'm not crazy even with this craft. I can use these here. I can use that there. This is interesting how it's got like a shiny embossed like a clear embossed topping on it. And this does as well, actually. That's kind of interesting. It's not something that I gravitate toward, but it's kind of cute, that aspect of it. Oh, this is the same thing. These are also from Creative Memories. Some little acrylic or little decorative pieces there. And then just a couple of little pieces of ephemera. Play all day happy, rainbows, sunshine, and unicorns. Okay, so that's fun. And a couple little sparkles that have come out. So, not sure what I'm going to do with this. I mean, I could make a card possibly with that, but let's see what I come up with. Okay, so here's what I've created. So I did make a card with that Creative Memories kit. You can see here the dimensions. I've popped up a couple of layers. This paper is very thin, so it's difficult to really pop it up. So I used actually like some of this foam to back this layer of the thin paper, and then these little die cuts as well. It is my Dad's 75th birthday this month, so I thought, well, the one good thing about this is it's a card that has colors more suited to my dad and not colors that I typically work with. So that was nice. I had these 75 stickers from my own stash, so I just used those numbers for that. So I followed two separate tutorials here, and I'm going to show you what I've created. So I made my little boxes that I always create with my little die from, looks like, this is what this box die looks like. If you watch my channel, you've seen me work with this quite a bit. I saw Kristianne's Crafty Adventures, who is an extremely talented paper crafter. I love her. She sent me a happy mail this Valentine's Day that was gorgeous. Everything she makes is beautiful. She had a little tutorial on how to make these little caddies. So I actually just created one with the ephemera stickers and paper. So this cardstock wasn't in the sampler, but you needed a 12 by 4 piece of paper. I will link her tutorial down below, and you can see how she made these. If you're interested, she has 2 different sizes. So I made my little box here, and that just sits in there, and then I will put some little fun treats inside. Let's have a tea party. So it's a perfect little holder. They won't really stay in well without tipping it up. But it's a perfect little holder for this size of container. And it was a cute little project to create there. And then the second tutorial I followed was from Pink Strawberry. And here I added this little detail on the back. I put a little catch on it to keep it all together because it got quite thick. It's a little mini album, and you can see here I used one of the stickers. I fussy cut some teacups and popped them up on pop dots. I've created a little tea holder, and here's a little envelope that contains a tag. So there's tea inside of this. Anyway, this really neat mini album that she's created allows you to put pages right tucked in. So now this, my pen pal can actually just, I'm trying not to, I don't have nails right now. Anyways, there we go. My pen pal can just open this up and pull out the tea from there. And then there's tea in these pockets here, there, and then there's this little tucked in pocket, and then hiding in there is this fun little fairy. So it's just a cute little way to send tea to a pen pal. So I made that for someone specific, and I thought that was a fun little project to create. So something simple, just a few fun little ideas. I will link Pink Strawberry and Kristianne's Crafty Adventures down below with those specific tutorials if you're interested in recreating something like that as well. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.